Khyrim Kingdom celebrated an important legislative milestone this week with the Governor of Meghalaya C.H Vijayashanker formally signing a new bill on the 11th of November 2024 and officially presenting it to the kingdom's leadership during the annual Shad Nongkrem festival. The presentation took place on the 12th of November as the governor personally attended the festival at Smith, immersing in the rich traditional culture and witnessing the Shad Nongkrem dance firsthand. In a ceremonial handover, he delivered the new bill to P.M. Balajit's aim, the same of Hima Khyrim. This event saw the participation of notable dignitaries including Chief Justice Prasanna Mukherjee of the Meghalaya High Court, the KHADC Chief Executive Member Panyat Singh's aim, and Deputy Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council PN's aim, who collectively marked the public release of the legislation. Officially titled the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Nomination, Succession and Election of SAIM, Deputy SAIM, Lingskor, Bakrao Sordar Shnat Raj, Longsan Mansan Shnat Raj, Rangba Shnong or Sordar Shnong, and Administration of Khyrim's Imship Act 2024, the bill represents a significant step for the governance and traditional administration within the Khasi Hills.
We warmly welcome His Excellency Shri C.H Vijayashanker, Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, to our festival. Thank you so much, sir, for taking time from your busy schedule for being with us today. And Nongkrem dance is especially very significant for us, for the people of Hima Khyrim, stretching from the border.
Our executive member, Mr. Johnson, for grace Mary Company to our festival, forms link between man and earth.
Ka Pomlang SIM lani ka Shad Nongkrem bat kiriti dustur ki babun ki balale hakiraj lani ki Shnat hakiwi ki chaka hapo ka Hima Khyrim kanlong dabla itu dakabor jong ka ai de kata ding bangi penpawi ka jingkemen ba nangni syakmat ka Hima Khyrim kaladon yala ka jong ka sti ka bakhlain yala ka jong ka jingyada ka bakhlain hapo jong ka ai tena kalyang jungi ikit bok kerwiang ya ka Hima Khyrim hibrokawe hapo jung jingelam jungi Dr. Balajit CCM kum ipaim rangba paim khna bat ki bakrao ki menteri ki longsan ki mansan bat kumju ki lingdo baro bat khamtam ki soda shnong ki rangba shnong ki bahap hapo jong ka Hima Khyrim omduna ya ka khat sau spa teli ki shnong mentala sya penkubor daka an hadin belayo ya kene ka an tena kalyang ai kuble haju gopor khamtam ya ka state government kabla ide banpha ya kene ka bill ka jungi syaulat ka jela bat nakalyang jungi ai kuble ru ya ulat ka jela u C.H Vijayashanker uba laai ka buhor ne ka jing itu lane ka asen ya kene ka bill ka jungi balalong ai benta nang ni syakmat ni ai kuble ki pa baro ki kun ki hajar jong ka Hima hebro kawai habide bakata kuble shibon